Alrighty, get a pen and paper out. Ready? You want to launch the app, press go, and you're done. Wow, bye-bye. I'm kidding, but I'm not. Okay, so if you press go and for any reason it didn't work, or you get error messages, follow the directions it gives you. Check the documents, finish off anything that's required. Still have issues? Just call the hotline. They can give you directions and sort out issues on their end when it's possible. Same thing when it comes to signing up. If there's any issues creating your account, just call them. Alrighty, so I'm gonna tell you this now. This didn't go smoothly, and I'm talking straight nonsense here, so a voiceover is needed. I've been waiting for about 15 minutes at this point. Apparently, just after Christmas is very slow. This whole thing's a bit scuffed in both a filming sense and what actually happens, but it still proves the point. So instead of refilming it, I'm just going to show you what a delivery can be like, as it perfectly demonstrates what a typical messy delivery looks like, and that it's not a problem. It can just be frustrating sometimes. So long as you don't crash and no one dies, it's all good, right? Maybe I shouldn't have said that. And if you have no issues, you'll be surprised how easy it is. Well, you shouldn't be surprised because it's obviously very easy. Every time you pick up groceries or takeaway, you've just done it. I hope you're not overthinking this. Accepting a delivery. You will hear this sound. The notification will take control of your screen like a damn error pop-up. If you're doing something too bad, it will only let you accept or decline. Accept, tap the white pop-up. To decline, hit the little X in the top right. There is an obvious bar timer. When it runs out, the delivery request will be declined. So don't stress to find the X when you're driving. Decline 3 in a row and you need to press go again to find more deliveries. Accept, then just do what the app says. Now, as a beginner, you don't know what places are good or bad for pickups and drop-offs. So honestly, just accept everything, unless you just don't want to do that delivery. As this video progresses, everything that tends to regularly go wrong kind of went wrong. The collection was a challenge. I had to do an uncomfortable park in a work zone, blocking a driveway. It's a Sunday and the driveway is now a building zone, so it's all good, but I just didn't like it. And for the drop-off, the app sent me to an entirely different address a few streets away. These really are the most common issues you'll be running into. And if you were in this situation and you think you'd be fine, great. Delivery driving is really going to be a breeze for you. If this would scare you and stress you out, maybe there's more of a reason for you to do this. Besides the wasted time in this instance and the hit to your overall profit, this is okay.
Literally, I want to times. You're usually often waiting maybe like 1 minute to 10 minutes, you don't often wait for it. And parking. This place sucks at park. I'm trying to see if I can take you guys in with me without being a creep holding the camera. I really want to do that. Sunday beach driving is not a good idea. No. You guys can't see this sometimes. Wow, thank you. Okay, you can do this now at the bar. Mail zone. No stopping. You might get a cheeky one. Okay, have to do it. I sometimes go down here. Oh. Am I be illegal to be honest? No. I don't know. Oh, you can be parking here. The more you drive, the more you get used to what your environment's like. What cafes, what restaurants you have to pick up from. So most people just jump down the roads. Park there. I shouldn't say. Doesn't matter if I don't. Oh. Oh, you can park there. Cut this up. You kidding me? Still parking in front of the work zone and pray that no one gets us. I'm just gonna forget. Once you leave for a second, stick a while, leave over there. It's nice.
Okay, for the pickup, check the pickup notes. They sometimes ask you to collect from the back or other handy parking tips, so just walk in, speak to anyone who works there, and just say something like, "Hiya, I'm here to pick up," and you just want to flash the screen and state the name. Please a sub? Yeah, please sub. Check the name on the bag and the app.
Okay, so there we go. Got the food, got Patrick's food.
It's actually really bad, to be honest. The parking here is absolutely dreadful. No parking. Yeah, it's... Alright, so we've got the food. Sometimes you can have a quick little check. Yep, that adds up. Start delivery. Make sure I'm still recording, I am. And then it's going to guide you towards where you got to go. Pro tip, you want to check this. Sometimes there's notes which will help with your parking. Even though I've done almost 900 deliveries, sometimes if I had just read the notes before getting to the address, it would have caused so much less frustration. Sometimes it can be really frustrating doing a drop-off, and all you have to do is check the notes to make life so much easier.
Alright, cool, we're gonna make our way there now. Okay, so we're approaching the drop-off. This is a house, you tend to get a lot of apartments, but because it's a house, it's gonna be so easy just to drive into their driveway. Maybe not so easy because you can't tell whose address is whose. No numbers. Who needs numbers? I'm gonna try to take you guys with me on this one. I'm assuming this is 9 freaking numbers. I don't even know. Goddamn letterbox. Some people suck. Okay. There's some bins there. This is probably going to be the easiest way to check. This is 50. This is not the house. Not the house. What's the bet? It's that one there. And I just parked in the wrong driveway. 41? What is going on? Okay. Let's check the app. Okay. I got stopped. Wow, so massive prank. Massive prank from Uber. Massive prank from Uber. This is where they said the address was. It's not, it's over there. This time reading the app wasn't gonna help. Actually, if I had read the address and paid attention to the street that I was pulling up on, then I would have realized. Funny that. Everything goes wrong when I decide to show how easy this app is. Oh, Tesla. Let's hope he doesn't come out and see the camera. Kind of weird. Number 9. Okay, we're here. That's so cool. So the guy just came out and met me. I handed him the food before finishing up and finalizing the current delivery. I'm just gonna move away. Alrighty, I'm gonna sum this part up. Checking the notes and trying to remember the street name will save you so much hassle. You just want to hand it over to them, leave it at the door, whatever they've requested on the app, hop back in the car, move away from the place. There is no need to keep your shitbox in their driveway. And you don't want them to come over and be like, you forgot the napkins. Good chance you didn't, the restaurant did, you can't do anything about it, they need to raise a claim on their app. So just get out of there. Swipe the bar, take a photo if needed, add a note if needed, hit deliver. I didn't even get the option here, and you're done. Massive congrats to you when you've done your first delivery. Like, great work. When you finish, hit go offline. If it's time to stop but you've just accepted another delivery, just watch what I'm doing here. This is how you cancel a delivery. Go to current delivery, hit the triangle on the bottom left, tapping any of these issues here will cancel your current delivery. Swipe up, then hit go offline, then you're done. Great work.
I'm proud of you. If you're keen to start, here's some advice. You need a good phone holder, a good phone charger. Uber will burn through your phone charge. You want to bring food, a lot of water. As you can see here, I'm playing games. Wear a long sleeve. I'm looking fancy for a reason. The sun will burn your arms. Wear a long sleeve, hat, sunnies, and cover up when you can. I've done just a few deliveries, and maybe an insulated bag would be nice, but you really don't need it. Hey, thanks for watching this long. Let me know below. Are you going to try delivery driving? If not, what's holding you back? I might make an Instagram account to show my journey, and so people can DM me for questions and support people that use my referral. I might not have the answers, but sometimes it's better than no one, right? Uber has a generous referral system. If you want to drive and you live in Australia, please use my link. Uber will give you some ridiculous amount of money just for signing up and doing like 30 or 40 deliveries. It's constantly changing, so you're just going to have to check it out. If you're keen for more content, look at my other videos on delivery driving. I'm going to do one on some tips and videos on why you should drive Ubereats. Maybe another one like on like Amazon delivery, and maybe one on like buying a Tesla. Yeah, maybe one day a Tesla. Check it out. Okay, bye-bye now. Love ya.